I'm going to show you how you can make your very own 3D figures for free. You want to start from a website called chatgpt.com. Now from here, I'm going to guide you through how you can actually make this. First off, you want to toggle an option from the menu here, tap on View Tools, and then tap on Create Image like this. Now, you just have to type in your prompt. I'm going to show you an example prompt right now. I'm going to paste in my prompt like this. Now you can see this is what my prompt would look like. Now, once you have your prompt ready, tap on send like this. Now let's just wait for it to generate. You can see it'll say it'll getting started. Now this might take a little bit. It might take up to a couple of minutes, but it's okay. Let's just be patient and wait for it. Now once it's generated, you'll see that this is what the image will look like. You can see it's a pretty good generation here. Now I'm going to show you again another example. Now instead of generating Ronaldo here, I'm going to generate a figure of Messi. Again, create image like this, paste in my prompt like this, and then tap on send like this. Again, let's just wait for it to generate. Once it's done generating, you'll see that this is what the generated art will look like. You can see it's much more premium here. It looks like he's in a case more like, but you can see there's still accessories. So it looks like he's a figure. You can even see there is a text here, Lionel Messi, Legacy Collection 2025 Immortal Edition.